Alright folks, for the last time, this will be the last catch before he gets to Rock Hill Yard. This is going to be NS local train P83, or how to believe the P83, coming westbound, LNCSB line, Rock Hill, South Carolina. And I forgot to mention this, lead locomotive 3511 is the ex-Burlington Northern engine. What's that thing right there? That was NS local train, I believe to be P83, heading westbound, LCSB line, Rock Hill, South Carolina. If this X turns out to be P36, I'll put it in the ID of the video, but I'm guessing it's probably P83. Anyway, thank y'all very much for watching. God bless.